Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to get into these cute rubber bands hairstyles that are becoming super popular again. And honestly, it's not hard to see why. They're stylish, creative, versatile, and they bring a unique vibe to your whole look. Now, when it comes to rubber bands looks, you really get the chance to play around with personality. You can keep it simple with neat little sections or go bold with crisscross patterns, diamonds, or even colorful rubber bands. Another thing worth talking about is how rubber band hairstyles are protective in their own way. They're not as long-term as braids, but they do keep the hair stretched, neat, and tucked away in small sections. That means less manipulation and less breakage. And if you moisturize your scalp or soak your rubber bands in oil before putting them in, you're really setting yourself up for healthy hair growth while looking stylish at the same time. Now I'm gonna stop talking so y'all can enjoy the rest of the video without my annoying voice. I'll talk to you all later, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't know if you got a girl.